Welcome to 1.3, which is creating pages, subpages, menu bars as part of your Google Sites. So you see we finished up our header here. I went ahead and left the tiger image in the background. And now we're ready to create some pages or some menus to access the different areas of our website. And so up here in the top right, you'll see I'm on themes right now. If I switch it over to pages, the only page I have right now is the home page, which is the page that I'm on currently. So I can add, there's the plus button down here at the bottom. When I hover on the plus button, I can do a new page or I can do a new link. And the links, you can do links inside of pages back and forth or links to external sources. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add a new page and then we can name it. I'm going to name it, we're going to use this for the sort of a place to store our assignments each week. So you'll continue to build inside Google Sites as we go on, even though we're going to do forms or maps or other things. So I'm just going to call this assignments. You'll notice then when I hit done, it flips me to a brand new page. You'll see I'm in assignments. You'll see that it maintains that exact same theme or header background across the entire site. One of the things that is part of good web design is consistency. And so we want the same header, the same font type, the same theme, all those. And the nice thing about Google Sites is it automatically does that for you. It duplicates that theme. You don't have to recreate it every time, which is really nice. You'll notice up here across the top that we have a new page here in assignments. Another one that, a lot of websites have is, contact info or contact. And I'm just going to put that one on there as an additional page. Again, it creates a new page. We've got across the top. Now you'll see we've got our home page, we've got our assignments page, and we've got our contact page. Now, as I click on those, our home page has the original title that we did. It gives assignments the title, but I can rename this if I want to, and it will keep the page name the same. Contact, I could change this to, I change it to information. And you'll notice here that the header is information, but the page name is still contact. I can come in here and on my three dots on the same, I can delete that. I can hide it from the navigation menu, which that's this up here. I can check properties, which means basically I can rename it if I want to. And then I can also duplicate that page a lot. So if I have the same page with a lot of information on it already that I want to duplicate, I can do that. I can also switch and make that the home page instead of the initial default home. So there's making our pages. Now with the assignments, I'm going to click on assignments here. If you want to make sub pages, so in other words, like a drop down menu, which we may want to in assignments. So in assignments, let's say I've got my assignments page, and then I'm going to add a sub page. I'm just going to call it week 1. And that's going to create a sub page inside of the assignments page. And you'll notice now on assignments, it's got a drop down arrow that I can hover for week 1. So I'm going to go ahead and come in here and I'm just going to add subpage. Okay, now here's what you want to be careful of. Okay, I added a subpage to week 1. So now week 1 is a subpage of assignments and week 2 is a subpage of week 1, which is not what I want to do as I come down here to the drop down menu. Now I've got drop downs inside of drop downs. What I really want is for that to be a subpage. And so I messed that one up. So I'm just going to delete that. All right, so when I want to add a subpage, I want to make sure that I'm on the page that I want to have it be a subpage of. So I'll click on assignments here. Okay. So I'm going to be on assignments. I'm going to add another subpage underneath of that. We'll call that week 2. Okay. So we can just continue to do that over and over and over again. Okay. And we can duplicate those more and more and more if we want to. Sometimes it takes a little bit, so you'll notice that it's a little behind here as we go through week 2, week 3, here comes week 3, still thinking here comes week 4. So we are creating a web page, so it does take a little bit of time to create those pages over and over and over again. There's week 4, and then again the last one, we'll add that sub page, week 5. So you can set it up navigation-wise however you'd like, but we do want a week 1 through week 5 so we can put each individual assignments or things posted on those so we can navigate to those easily. You might want contact info. The other option over here is in this little toolbar setting, we've got the navigation. Right now we've got top navigation, which is this menu bar being displayed across the top. You can switch it to side navigation, which then puts on this drop-down menu that when you click on it, then it sort of expands from the side. So again, that's up to you how you'd like for that to look. So there is adding our menus, our pages, and our subpages. Thanks.